Hello, friends of Ludus. I'm Sergio Bravo, and today I welcome you to this session where we want to show you how we can use virtual reality to accomplish a task we know is difficult. Raising awareness and sensitizing our students during training sessions on safety and health topics. So, you want to know how to help create change? Well, I'll tell you all about it in just a moment. In training, we focus a lot on conveying knowledge, but we know that even if a worker has that knowledge, they might choose not to apply it in their daily work for various reasons, such as saving time, increasing comfort, or to get a production incentive. For this reason, during training sessions, we try to encourage them to want to change their behavior themselves by applying the appropriate safety measures to their work. And a very powerful tool to create that change is virtual reality. Simulations allow workers to experience situations that make them more aware and provide both positive and negative motivations to start behaving safely. Examples of negative motivation would be clearly showing, through detailed and realistic simulations, the severe and far-reaching consequences of having a preventable accident due to not diligently using the proper protective equipment, such as safety helmets, gloves, and eye protection, or not strictly following the established correct procedures and safety protocols, or getting significantly distracted while performing critical and high-risk tasks, or carrying them out in poor physical or psychological conditions, such as extreme fatigue, high stress levels, or impaired judgment, which can all lead to disastrous outcomes and long-term repercussions for individuals and the organization. Virtual reality also allows us to provide positive motivation by performing tasks correctly. The simulation will provide positive feedback upon successfully completing the exercise, which will demonstrate that the knowledge has been acquired and will boost self-esteem and a positive perception of applying safety practices in the worker's daily tasks. The feedback shown on the results screen can also be negative. We may have skipped a step, done it incorrectly, or suffered an accident. As the saying goes, you don't realize something can happen to you until it actually does. The problem is that after an accident, it might be too late to learn the lesson. That's just how we humans work sometimes. And the most direct way to experience the consequences of a mistake without real harm is to simulate it. For this, virtual reality brings the experience as close as possible to the real situation and can provide the spark a worker needs to change unsafe behaviors into safe ones. In other words, to raise awareness and foster a safety mindset. How about that? Did you find this content interesting? If you want to learn more, check out our blog where we cover topics related to training, safety, health, and technology. And to stay up to date with all the latest news, take a look at our news page and follow us on social media. We've left the links below for you. Best regards and see you next time.